Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I had my deck decorated for the fall this year. I have so many future plans for my backyard. I can't wait to share everything that I'll be doing. I would love to be able to paint my deck a dark gray color and possibly get some new outdoor furniture. But for now I wanted to just create a nice cozy area right off from my dining room for the fall season. The best thing about this is I did not buy anything new. I used what I already had in my house. I just pulled out what worked for the space and it turned out to be exactly what I wanted. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you want to stay for more, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Back calling me splurge, why me jump right off the curb? Bentley spread fly like a bird, spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swerve. Keep me a stick of thick curves. Young gun on one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pause, so serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice. The bird, shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've